What's up YouTube? This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're going to be taking a look at some products from Zappiti. We are now authorized dealers for Zappiti products. This particular unit is the Zappiti NAS, so if you guys already own tons of content, movies, music, you don't want to have to repurchase all that again, this is the absolute best solution, and I'm going to tell you why right after the intro. All right, so this again is the Zappiti NAS. It stands for Network Attached Storage. So what does that mean? First of all, this is pretty much a mini computer. So it's going to have a disk drive. It's going to have some hard drives. So what you're going to be able to do with this unit is once you have this hooked up, and it's as simple as plugging up the power, plugging up an Ethernet cable to your network, and now all you have to do is put a movie in this thing, and I'll show you. But basically you close the movie inside the unit and it starts making a one-to-one copy right onto the hard drive disks. So let's get this thing opened up. This is the mini server. It's fairly heavy. So this comes double boxed, as you can see. And this is the Zappiti NAS RIP 4K HDR. And I went ahead and had the guys over at Zappiti pre-install the hard drives and get that initialized. So you have some paperwork, the quick start guide, hard drive screws for your SATA drives, and then you have the power cable. All right. So, I mean, this thing is pretty much a computer. Nice. All right. Cosmetically, this thing's got some nice brushed aluminum here. Nice metal chassis. It's all metal. Very, I mean, it's pretty heavy for the size, so good quality build. Again, there is what, 8 SATA drives for storage. I think you can get up to like 16 terabytes now on a hard drive. So I know I have 4 6 terabyte drives already preloaded. They're all hot swappable. So, boom, slide it in, locks in. These are already initialized from Zappiti, but you can, if you already have your own hard drives, basically all you need on the hard drives is a folder named either movies, TV shows, or music. And what the Zappiti will do, once you get it hooked up to your system, you will need another external player, so the 4K Zappiti 1 Pro or the Zappiti Mini. You will need another unit to actually access what is on your NAS system, but super simple. Let's turn this around so you can see what's on the back. Again, this is where your power is going to hook into, and kind of see what this is going on here. And what you'll see on the back here is a line in, line out system. You have your Ethernet, that is basically all you need to plug in, plus the power. And that's it. The rest is just for maintenance for Zappiti. So you really don't have to worry about anything else. Just get this thing hooked up to your Ethernet cable. And as long as you have those folders named movies, TV shows, and music on the Zappiti 1 player or the Zappiti Mini that you guys have, you'll be able to access all the files that you're copying to this guy. So once you get it powered on, all you do is open up this little Blu-ray drive here, pop in your movie, shut it, and you just sit there and wait, and it'll copy, like I said, it'll copy every movie with the disc menus intact 1-to-1 ratio, so you're not going to get any loss in video quality or audio quality. It's going to be just like you're putting that disc in your Blu-ray player. So very cool stuff, and very affordable. If you guys are comparing this to other things like Kaleidoscape, you know, you already have the content. Even if you are getting to repurchase that content on the Kaleidoscape store at a discounted price, you know, you're still going to have to spend the money for the Kaleidoscape, which is more expensive than this thing. With no hard drives, this is $34.99. And then the hard drives are pretty much market price. You know, a 6 terabyte hard drive, I think's about $170, give or take. So you will have to do a NAS grade hard drive to make this thing work, and it'll run a lot better if you get a nicer quality hard drive. But fairly inexpensive as far as those things go, but you don't have to repurchase the movie that you already have. You just pop it in, it makes a copy. You can put the disc away forever if you'd like, because everything is going to be accessible once you get this thing plugged in, and all your movies are going to populate inside the Zappiti system, and it makes it super simple to find what you want. You know, you see all the artwork of the movies, makes it a very nice system, and compared to other things on the market, you know, this is the best option to back up and make a copy of the content you already own. All right, that's going to do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you don't miss any content coming your way. And if you guys are interested in anything home theater or anything Zappiti, we are now authorized dealers to sell Zappiti products. And we couldn't be more excited. This is some great equipment. So be sure to give us a call. One of our sales associates will get you that low price guarantee with nationwide free shipping. And that's going to do it for today. So I'll talk to you next time.